Available now on Amazon Kindle. Check the link in the description to start your English learning journey today.
Hello! Welcome to English Fairy Tales and Songs. Our channel is here to help you improve your English with fun stories and songs. Today's story is for B1 level learners. If you enjoy the story, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Once upon a time, in a distant land, there was a special place known as the magical Kingdom of Colors. Here, everything was alive with vibrant colors. The trees were rich and green, the rivers sparkled with silver and gold, and the sky was a deep, beautiful blue. The people of this kingdom were proud of their colorful world and celebrated it every year with the Festival of Colors. King Rainbow, the wise and kind ruler, always led this joyful festival. The people would gather in the streets, decorating everything with bright banners, singing songs, and sharing stories. But one year, just days before the festival, something strange started to happen. Slowly, the colors of the kingdom began to disappear. The trees lost their green, the sky became pale, and the once bright rivers looked dull. The people were worried. "What is happening to our colors?" they cried. King Rainbow was just as concerned. He called his two most trusted advisors, Sir Bright and Lady Shine, to the palace. "Our colors are fading," the king said, "and without them, we cannot celebrate the festival. You must find out what is causing this and bring the colors back." Sir Bright, known for his bravery, and Lady Shine, famous for her cleverness, set off on a journey. They traveled through the kingdom, speaking to villagers and searching for clues. They visited the Golden River, which used to shimmer in the sunlight, but now looked gray. They walked through the green forest, where the trees were dull and lifeless. Everywhere they went, the people were sad and confused. After many days of travel, Sir Bright and Lady Shine reached a place at the edge of the kingdom that few had ever visited. There, hidden between tall mountains, was a dark cave, the colorless cave. As they entered, the cave seemed to suck the color from their clothes, making everything around them gray. Inside, they saw an old wizard sitting quietly on a stone. His name was Grayscale. His robe and beard were as colorless as the cave around him. Sir Bright stepped forward and asked, "Why are you taking the colors from our kingdom?" Grayscale looked up with sad eyes. "I did not want to cause harm," he said. "I used to live in your kingdom, but no one remembers me. Every year, I watched the Festival of Colors, but I was never invited. I felt forgotten, so I took the colors. If I couldn't enjoy them, neither could anyone else." Lady Shine, realizing the wizard was not evil, but lonely, spoke gently. "We didn't know you felt this way. Why don't you return with us to the kingdom? You can be part of the festival and use your magic to make it more beautiful than ever." Grayscale thought for a moment. "You would invite me after what I've done?" "Yes," Sir Bright said. "You are still a part of our kingdom. Without you, we can't have the festival as it should be." Touched by their kindness, Grayscale smiled. He stood up and waved his wand, and suddenly, colors burst from the crystal in his hand, filling the cave. The trees outside turned green again, the rivers sparkled, and the sky regained its deep blue. The colors had returned to the kingdom. When Sir Bright, Lady Shine, and Grayscale returned to the palace, the people cheered. The Festival of Colors went ahead as planned, but this time it was brighter and more beautiful than ever before, thanks to Grayscale's magic. He was no longer forgotten and was an honored guest at every festival from that day on. And so, the magical kingdom of colors continued to shine, full of life and happiness, for many years to come. Thank you for joining us for the magical kingdom of colors. We hope you enjoyed this story and learned some new English words along the way. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more stories and songs on English fairy tales and songs. See you next time.
Learn English with Fairy Tales, the perfect book for kids and beginners. Inside, you'll find engaging, educational stories that are perfect for building grammar, vocabulary, and reading skills. Whether you're just starting or advancing, this book will guide you through exercises that make learning fun. You can access Learn English with Fairy Tales anytime, anywhere on your phone. Available now on Amazon Kindle. Check the link in the description to start your English learning journey today.